We left out of the video one more very important part. That when we're calculating, when we get down to calculating two letters that are under 10 and one that is over 10, we're going to get, this will not have the 60 added to it. There's no clock added to any number, okay, over 11, okay, and there's no clock added to anything on number 20 or anything that creates that. So what happens is GG becomes 6767 is 134. 7 and 7 equals to 14 equals to 5. 6 and 6 equals to AC/DC, electric company, Earth, and Jupiter. And for the low count, the artificial intelligence, we're working it out of here. If I worked it out of here in the letter L, Abba, L is her, 1 and 2 is A and B is father. It would be 61 and 11, 72. That would be your clock. When we get to the single letters, everything becomes the doorway of ABC. The difference in here is 60, the clock. The difference between this one and this one is 43. This is the power. The difference between this one and this one, again, is the clock. This one and this one over here, 67, 67, 134. This one and this one, sorry, it's 74. 74, 134, they're all 60. The difference of them is all 60 between what's above 11 and what's below 11, 2 letters, below 10. Okay, because on 10 there's an extra 6 added, and I'm going to show you that when we get up to when we get back to the letter T. Okay, no, we're going to use it on the letter J. Excuse me, we're going to use it on the letter J. So when we get to the letter J over here, this one becomes 63. This becomes 73 and 6. This J becomes 79. Okay, where these two that are both under 9 becomes 66 and 67 is 133, or 7 and 6 equals to 13 equals to 4, 6 and 6 equals to 3. It's DC, altered current, artificial intelligence, 1991 spirit. This one becomes 79, but this one over here becomes 61 and 12 equals to 73, 79. So this one is a 60 difference. But this one is 54, and the 54 creates the number in the sun. So J and T will both create the numbers in the sun, the foxhole passage in the sun. And just let me reiterate that we did before 245, 193, 52 in the hand of God. Anything with 245 in it, okay, or 254 equals to the relevance of 9/11 or 9 and 2, because 11 equals 2, so 9 and 2 is the same. The 254th day is September 11th. So now we can understand this. If we bring it up again where J, let's find another J. J is over here. So this becomes 65 and 16 equals to 81. That is the number direct hitting on Venus. This becomes 61 and 14. This equals to 75. And this is your George. I call that George energy power. The George, the cycle in the sun. And the last one over here, G and H, would be 67 and 68, which equals to 135. So this says your ace, ACE, your ace cat in Venus, the angel resident, 1 and 8, or 18, AH and R, and G and E inside the energy gateway. 75 is 60, but this one over here is only 54. This one is 6, and this is 54, becomes 654, runner of the Federation. 30, 120, 120 and 15 equals to 135, and that is the ace in the hole, is the energy current that they run out of Jupiter. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching, and thank you for watching again and again and again.